All rise.
Right out of the gate, this hearing looks procedural. But don't let that fool you. Sometimes the quietest courtroom moments signal the biggest strategy shifts behind the scenes. Watch closely here, because the defense is about to make a move that raises some serious questions.
Please have a seat. We're on record. Good morning. It is Friday, April 10th, 2026. We are here on case number 26CR88, matter caption State of Ohio versus Caleb C. Flynn. So are you Caleb Flynn?
Yes, Your Honor.
This matter comes on for a hearing. We were just here on Monday the 6th of April where we discussed, actually it was a status conference, and we were going to set a pending motion filed by the defense pertaining to non-dissemination.
Quick legal note. A motion about non-dissemination of materials usually means one side wants to restrict how certain evidence or documents are shared. That could be a major issue in high-profile or sensitive cases, especially if publicity is becoming a concern.
Of materials. That motion was filed, I believe, originally on March 18th. Subsequently, there was an amendment by defense counsel on the 8th of this month, and the court set this matter for further hearing. Present in the courtroom on behalf of Mr. Flynn is Attorney Patrick Mulligan, as well as Emily Smith. On behalf of the state is Prosecuting Attorney Paul Watkins.
And there it is. The defense withdraws the motion entirely. That is a huge pivot. After filing it, amending it, and setting a hearing, they suddenly back off. The obvious question is, why? Did negotiations fail, or did they realize the court wasn't likely to rule in their favor?
Counsel, you've had some time to confer with regard to the outstanding motion. Has there been any agreement? Mr. Mulligan?
There has not been a agreement, Your Honor. I appreciate the work that the court has done in reviewing this matter. It's our intention this morning, if I may proceed to what our intentions are. Our intention this morning is to withdraw that motion, that and the amended motion.
Notice what the judge asks next. Are there any more motions coming? That's the court basically saying, are we done with pretrial maneuvering? If you're the defense here, do you keep fighting before trial or save everything for the jury? Let me know what you do.
At this time, the court will deem both the motion filed on March 18th and April 8th withdrawn. At that point, we are proceeding to a trial that will begin on April 28th. The court would like to schedule a final pretrial conference, so we can prepare accordingly for that date. The court did review the file a little further, Mr. Mulligan, and what's been contained in the record pertaining to information that has already been established from the pleadings. Is it your intention or your intention to file any further motions in this matter?
At this point, no, Your Honor. We haven't found anything worthwhile of filing a motion for so far.
I believe then we will move forward with scheduling the final pretrial. Ms. Osendorf, if you could give us some dates that are available.
Judge, I'm looking at April 16th in the morning.
That would be next Thursday.
That is correct.
Works for me, Your Honor.
I, Your Honor, am scheduled to be with you at 1:15 on that day, if it would be more convenient for us to be here around that time.
And just like that, this case moves into full trial prep mode. No more motions, no more detours. The next major battleground is trial itself. The legal chess match is over. Now the real fight begins.
On the Feltner matter. It's not going on that day.
Oh, here's the video.
That's right.
That's scheduled not on the 16th, that is
The 20th at
the
9:30.
20th at 9:30.
I'm a little better in the afternoon. I don't know what the court schedule is in the afternoon on the 16th.
Would 1:15, or we could do the 17th as well?
I'd be happy to do it at 1:15 on the 16th.
All right, the court will set this final pretrial for April 16th at 1:15 p.m. If there are any other motions or, any other requests from the court will be by motion. The court will be proceeding with preparing for trial. Any other matters we need to discuss?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Ms. Mulligan?
I don't believe so, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you all. We're adjourned.